Tired of repeating yourself in WhatsApp conversations? Wish you could automate mundane tasks, summarize long threads, or even draft witty replies? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how to unleash the power of Gemini, Google's cutting-edge AI, directly within your WhatsApp chats. A brief explanation of Gemini. Gemini is Google's most advanced AI model yet, capable of understanding and generating human-like text, translating languages, writing different kinds of creative content, and answering your questions in an informative way. And now, you can leverage its incredible abilities within your everyday WhatsApp experience. 1. www.automatebar.com. www.automatebar.com. Highlight the key benefits of using Gemini in WhatsApp. Imagine this. Effortless summarization. Summarize lengthy group chats in seconds, extracting the key information without wading through endless messages. Instant replies. Compose witty and engaging responses to your friends and family with Gemini's help, saving you time and effort. Automated responses. Set up automated replies for common inquiries, ensuring you never miss a beat, even when you're busy. Language translation. Seamlessly translate messages in real time, breaking down language barriers and facilitating global conversations. Creative content generation. Brainstorm exciting ideas for your next WhatsApp group outing, draft engaging captions for your WhatsApp status, or even compose witty jokes to share with your friends. These are just a few of the incredible possibilities that await you when you integrate Gemini into your WhatsApp workflow. Now, let's get down to business. How exactly do you harness the power of Gemini within WhatsApp? Here are a few effective methods. 1. Gemini's official WhatsApp integration, if available. Check for official updates from Google or WhatsApp. They may release a dedicated integration that seamlessly connects Gemini directly within the WhatsApp app. This would likely involve enabling a specific setting or downloading an official extension. Keep an eye out for announcements from both companies. 2. Utilizing third-party apps, if available. Explore third-party apps that act as intermediaries between WhatsApp and Gemini. These apps might offer features like direct message forwarding. Forward WhatsApp messages directly to a Gemini-powered chatbot for analysis, summarization, or reply generation. AI-powered assistants. Integrate with a dedicated AI assistant that can interact with your WhatsApp chats, providing real-time suggestions and automated responses. Customizable workflows. Create custom workflows that automate specific tasks within WhatsApp, such as scheduling reminders or sending personalized messages. 3. Leveraging Gemini's API, for developers. For developers, the Gemini API offers advanced possibilities. You can build custom WhatsApp bots that utilize Gemini's capabilities for tasks like sentiment analysis. Analyze the sentiment of incoming messages to understand the overall tone and mood of the conversation. Customer support automation. Create sophisticated chatbots that can handle basic customer support inquiries within WhatsApp groups. Personalized recommendations. Offer personalized recommendations based on user conversations within WhatsApp groups, such as suggesting restaurants, movies, or travel destinations. Important considerations and best practices. While integrating Gemini into WhatsApp offers exciting possibilities, it's crucial to use these tools responsibly. Data privacy. Be mindful of data privacy and ensure you understand how your WhatsApp data is being used by third-party apps or APIs. Accuracy and bias. Remember that AI models like Gemini are still under development. While they can be incredibly powerful, they may occasionally produce inaccurate or biased results. Always double-check information and use your own judgment. Human touch. While AI can assist with many tasks, it's important to maintain a human touch in your WhatsApp interactions. Don't let AI completely replace genuine human connection. Creative use cases and examples. Let's explore some creative ways to utilize Gemini in your WhatsApp experience. Travel planning. If you're planning a trip with friends via a WhatsApp group, use Gemini to brainstorm potential destinations, compare prices, and even draft a group itinerary. Event organization. Organize a party or social gathering by using Gemini to generate creative invitation ideas, plan activities, and even draft group announcements. Content creation. Collaborate with friends on creative projects like writing short stories, composing poems, or even developing a script for a short film, all within a WhatsApp group. Learning and education. Create a WhatsApp group for learning a new language and use Gemini to translate messages, provide vocabulary definitions, and even generate engaging conversation starters. Troubleshooting and tips. Encountering issues? Here are some troubleshooting tips. Check for updates. Ensure you're using the latest versions of WhatsApp and any relevant third-party apps. Clear cache and data. Clear the cache and data of the WhatsApp app and any related apps to resolve potential conflicts. Restart your device. A simple device restart can often resolve minor glitches and improve app performance. Contact support. If you're experiencing persistent issues, reach out to the support teams of WhatsApp or the relevant third-party app developers for assistance. Now it's your turn to experiment. Start exploring the possibilities of integrating Gemini into your WhatsApp experience. Whether you're looking to simplify your communication, boost your productivity, or simply add a touch of AI magic to your conversations, Gemini has the potential to revolutionize the way you use WhatsApp. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.